This is my den. For those of you who don't know, we have a den on the upstairs level of our house, which means if we want to eat or drink anything, we have to bring it from the kitchen up to the den. And yeah, that happens. Now, sometimes when we make these videos, you guys will say, "Did you stage that room?" And the truth is, we didn't stage the room, but we also haven't cleaned it in a week in preparation for this video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how, if you only have 10 minutes, you can do what I call an express clean in your den and get it nice and prepared just for you to enjoy, or if you're having guests over, for them to enjoy. It's not a full-blown clean, but it's gonna take it from disaster zone to at least manageable, enjoyable zone. Now you can learn all about my express cleans in my book. I'll link that for you down below, and we've done videos with other express cleans as well, so you can kind of see how to get a lot done in a little bit of time. All right, let's get to it. And just a quick reminder to subscribe to the Clean My Space channel if you haven't done so already, and give this video a thumbs up if you at least can admit that you eat or drink while you're watching TV.
We get things started with a mini wave 1, you know, my 3-wave system, and I always like to start by opening the windows. And then I get myself a nice laundry basket. You can see this one's been a little beaten up. It doesn't have a handle anymore. And I work my way around the room starting at 12 o'clock, just decluttering, picking up anything that doesn't belong there anymore. Garbage, laundry, plates, cups, pretty much anything that is homeless in this particular space. And I'm pretty thorough with this job because this hasn't been done in about a week's time, so there is quite a bit of random stuff. Now, as I go around, I'm also tidying and organizing everything. So lining it up parallel and perpendicular, stacking things. That way everything looks neat and the space is primed for the second wave that I do. Now I'm doing what I call the scan and dust. This is a move where you have a microfiber cloth sprayed with a little bit of all-purpose cleaner, and you sort of scan from the top to the bottom, looking for any areas that need to be dusted, wiped, or just generally cleaned. I'm also taking this opportunity to fluff the pillows and make my sofa look a little bit tidier. I can't believe it, I was 4 months pregnant in this video, and now Riley is in the world. So again, you're thinking, what's at eye level? What's the mess that a guest might see if they come over? I'm not doing a thorough clean here. I'm just sort of looking for those areas that need that attention. Now, if there are any crumbs or pet hair, which we have both on our upholstery, I either use a lint roller or a small handheld broom. And I will just whisk everything from the broom directly onto the floor because I'm going to be vacuuming at the end anyway. Or if I'm really in a pinch, I'll just use a lint roller. But in this video, for y'all, I am demonstrating both techniques. And finally, I'm finishing up with the floors. Now, I want this job to take me under 10 minutes, so I'm whipping out the stick vacuum here. And of course, vacuuming, my least favorite job. I'm just sort of cheating and doing the obvious spaces, but that's what I kind of like about express cleans. I don't have to be so thorough. I can just sort of zip around where it counts and leave everything else out until the more thorough clean comes around. I'll just put any furniture back where it belongs, make the room look tidy and neat, finishing everything up, and I'm done.
What I love most about express cleans are that I can give myself 10 minutes, just a quick period of time, and I have a method, so I know exactly what I'm gonna do in those 10 minutes so that I can get the most work done. You guys saw I did not clean my den for a week, and it's not that it's been meticulously cleaned, but it looks so much better, right? I mean, I could have people over and they wouldn't be like judgy eyes and stuff like that. Now, you saw a whole bunch of nail polish on my ottoman. When I watch TV, that's what I like to do, my nails. And I've been doing them for years while I watch TV in this room. And even when I was growing up, I did it at home. My parents did not love that. But I was very responsible, and I had all these little ways of keeping the nail polish upright so I would never spill anything or make a mess. And that brings me to this week's comment question. What do you do while you're watching TV, aside from, of course, just watching TV? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are a couple of other videos I think you're going to love, and if you want to learn more about express cleans or my book, you can visit our website. It's cleanmyspace.com. There's a button down there that lets me know you care, so click it if you liked this video and click this button right here to subscribe and begin your journey to a cleaner life. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.